Hi guys, we're gonna see the unpacking and the review of Neewer Ring 48. So this is a macro light, as you can see over here. So what's the use of a macro light is that you can dash it with a macro lens, and then you can take a good picture even in a higher aperture, like aperture number 54, 52 as well. But the good thing about this is like it's going to provide you the light, because when you're going to keep that much of an aperture, you're going to lose light here. So this is going to provide the light on the subject, and this is majorly used for insects and flower photography as well. So this is the thing I'm going to unpack today. So in the package we have the instruction manual telling you about the color temperature and all the other things which is required for this macro light. And then you have on the left side you have the connecting point in terms of your camera mounting point on top of your camera, and you have the adapter. If you're going to use the adapter in suppose like if you're using the adapter when you are dashing the macro light inside the studio, there you can use this adapter rather than a battery power source, because adapter uses a direct connection, direct current. But you also have an option where you can insert the battery. So it's a double A battery. It's not triple A. So it's over here. So this is the compartment for that, and for the DC. You can put it over here, and this is the output over here. So what is this output is basically the one which is over here. This is the guy who actually throws the light. So this is the layer, so this is the output, and this is the input if you're giving a direct current. So that's where it is. And you have buttons over here on this side for left only light, right only light, and then all lights. So which means like when you put L, so the left side of the light only will be pumped up, and when you put R, so the right side only, and then A means like all the sides, left and the right side both will be pumped up. The one thing you have to remember is that this is going to be a continuous light when you're going to put it on DC, when you connect it to the socket. But if you're going to put it on battery, then it's going to be a stroke kind of light where whenever you click that, then only it flashes. So it kind of works like that. So here is the mounting point of your camera. So you need to attach the right lens. So you have different varieties of lenses over here which you can fit up on. So I'm just going to remove this, so you can see that there are almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes of lens which it supports. So you have to check your lens diameter and then probably go for that. So this is the lens I have over here, and the diameter for this lens would be normally mentioned in the cap itself. So it says 62 mm diameter. So just gonna go over here and then look for the 62 mm. So this is 58, 55, 62, 67, and this is 49 and 52. So what you want right now is 62 mm. So I'm just gonna open this up. These are reusable plastics, so we're just going to keep this. So as you can see over here, this is going to fit this guy perfectly. So you can see it. I'm just putting this one up. You can either mount that. You can either mount this one and then do this, or you can just mount this one and then do it finally. You can do it either ways, but I would recommend you to do this way, because it's much easier. So I've just fixed it in the slot which comes behind this. So I have a filter also inside here, so it doesn't matter if you even have a filter, this is gonna come right in. So this you need to attach on top of your camera, and then there you go, that's it. So you just have to load it up with a battery and then turn it on. You should keep it off when it's off, and then if it's on direct current, so put it on DC, and if it's on battery, put it on battery, and then start clicking the pictures. So that's it. So this is a very nice product for the price it came. I brought it in the US, but I brought it from Amazon again, and this is a quite good product. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.